Once I broke into like Ivy League level academia, I started telling all of my students to be suspicious of single author papers. And that's for exactly this reason. I was literally on papers, or not on papers, that I taught the entire team how to do the analysis, interpreted the analysis, made recommendations on what to write, and then either wasn't author or was like fifth or later author. Because the author order, as opposed to the guidelines by the American Psychological Association and related fields or related groups, was quietly disregarded based on status. Because during this time, I was still a graduate student and I had not finished my Ph.D. yet, and I was getting my Ph.D. at a public university in Florida and not one of the bougie ones, even though they had hired me because they didn't have someone with my skill set. Nobody does anything alone, and the working class know this, but especially in science, nobody does anything alone. I am self-publishing a book right now on the unwritten rules of work for people from working class backgrounds based on my dissertation. And my dissertation had a 2 pages long acknowledgement section. My book likely will too, and the proceeds of the book are going to the original RAs, as in research assistants, who helped me do the original data collection and who generously peer reviewed my quantitative survey that I did for my recent data collection, which hasn't been released yet but will in the book. Collaboration is so important for science, especially from an interdisciplinary approach, because we need fields with different perspectives and expertise to work together, and that is not reinforced in the extremely hierarchical system with hidden curriculum and unwritten rules that is the ivory tower.